ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ತುಮಕೂರು, ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್, CN ಹಳ್ಳಿ. 7th Standard English, Lesson 3, ಏಕಲವ್ಯ. Presented by Umesha M, GHPS, Bellara. Competencies: filling a form of narration, pronunciation of words with silent letters. Mode of presentation: conversation. Dear students, how can you read the unknown content? Can you able to study without any help? No, sir. There was a student in ancient India in the period of Mahabharata. His name was Ekalavya. In Drona's ashram, Dronacharya sitting under a tree and surrounded by Pandava and Kaurava princes. Drona: I am very glad, my dear boys, you have learnt all the tricks of archery that I taught. Practice them well. Arjuna: but we know only to aim at an object seen at a distance. You have not yet taught us the art of shooting at an unseen object, Guruji. Drona: yes, Shabdavedi. It is the most skillful trick in archery, aiming at an object merely by the sound. You shall learn it by and by. But who comes here? The boy enters and bows to Drona. The boy: great Acharya, Ekalavya, the son of Hiranyadhanus. Drona: long live boy. Hiranyadhanus, he is he not the hunter chief of the southern forests? Ekalavya: yes, Acharya, but he is no more. Drona: oh, what a pity. He was a bold hunter. Indeed, you look equally bold. What brings you here, my boy? Ekalavya: wolves have increased in my forest, and the fawns have no safety. I cannot bear to see the poor animals troubled by the greedy wolves. I must learn archery. Please take me as one of your pupils. Drona: your thought is indeed noble. Arjuna: but Acharya, he is not a prince. How can you have him as your pupil? Drona: that is true, but I am sure he will prove a worthy pupil. Ekalavya: Acharya, teach me archery just enough to save my dear fawns. Take pity on the poor animals. 2 years later, Ekalavya learned all the tricks of archery in front of Drona's idol. One day, he heard the barking sound of dogs at a distance. The deer lift up their heads and fear and to run to him. Ekalavya shoots arrows in the direction of the barking. The sound stops. Oh, quite a big party of hunters. How wicked they are to set their dogs against the innocent animals of the forest. Oh, what do I see my Guru with his pupils? Enter Drona with Arjuna and other princes, and a dog with arrows in its mouth. The poor dog whines helplessly. Ekalavya prostrates before Drona. Ekalavya. Acharya, Ekalavya, the son of Hiranyadanus, pays his respects to you. Drona. Arise, my boy. God bless you. What a skill you have gained in archery in this short period. Your teacher must indeed be a great one. Arjuna, really, this boy has mastered the art of shooting arrows by detecting the source of sound. Ekalavya, it is all the result of your blessings, great Acharya. I learned all the tricks of archery under your kind guidance. Arjuna, Acharya, you promised to me make me the greatest archer in the world, but here is a boy who excels me and he says you are his guru. Drona, Arjuna, you know I have been with you always. It is the devotion of this boy that has made him a good bowman. Arjuna, whatever it may be, Acharya, you have not kept your word. Drona, Ekalavya, if you claim that I am your teacher, you will have to give me a Guru Dakshina. Arjuna, Acharya, so was it really you? You have not kept your promise. Drona, Ekalavya, if you say that I am your teacher, I deserve Guru Dakshina. Can you give your right thumb as Guru Dakshina? Ekalavya, yeah, don't accuse the great Acharya. Oh Prince, I cannot bear it. His promise to you shall be kept. My noble master, here is my Guru Dakshina. Take my right thumb. I request you to accept it and bless me. Drona. What a noble soul. God bless you, my dear boy. Dear students, from study of this story, you should also get faith, courage, and perseverance like Ekalavya, the noble student. Let us come to know the new words of this lesson. First one is prostrate. Lie flat on the ground before a person to show respect. Fawn, young deer. Archery, a skill of using bow to shoot arrows. Pity, feeling of sorrow. Bold, fearless. Bear, carry. Woe, promise. Then, students, can you identify the silent letters in these words? First one is KNIFE, knife. The silent letter is K. COMB, calm. Silent letter is B. DOUBT, silent letter is B. WRIST, wrist. Silent letter is W. DEBT, debt. Silent letter is B. You please collect all these types of silent lettered words in this lesson. Students, answer these questions. First one, who was Ekalavya? Second one, why did he want to learn archery? Third one, what Guru Dakshina did Ekalavya present to Dronacharya? Okay, thank you.